Everyone back with another video on Investment Fours. Daily real portfolio update. Kind of sitting up over $3,015.95. Not too much really going on this week, but I'm just gonna tell you what I'm looking at and what I'm focusing on. And I'm gonna put together my next video. I'm gonna put together my top 10 stocks, ETFs to buy for 2026. So be prepared for that video coming out here right after this one. So just want to go over a few things. I haven't bought any crypto in a while, but I pretty much got my same positions. But I did add more Netflix. You see it now. I have over 5 shares of Netflix now, a little bit over 5. 5 and some change. And Netflix is trading around $94.17. You got a market value of $492.01. And you can see my total return is down 7.49%. And we got an average cost now, $101.79. So I got bringing my average cost down. And I'm gonna keep buying Netflix on the dip. And like I said, I'm trying to get as many shares of Netflix as I possibly can, because I really truly believe in the company Netflix. So the sister of the company Netflix that they bought out, Warner Brothers Discovery, I trade around $20.71. See, I have almost 4 shares now. Market value $112.32. That total return is 0.61%. And I got an average cost of $20.53. I will be planning on to buy more Warner Brothers, but actually, since we're here, let's just take a look how they've been performing for the past week. For the past week, 0.24%. In the past month, they've been up over 19.43%. The past 3 months, been up over 51%. Year to date, been up over 169%. In the past year, up over 172%. And then, let's see, the past 5 years, it's just showing here for the past 5 years, but overall, the past year, they've been up over 172%. That's actually pretty good for Warner Brothers. That's actually pretty decent. I took a sip of QQQ. I now have almost half a share now of this ETF. And a market value of $321.41. And total return up over 8.35%. This will actually perform very well. I will be, like I said, my target goal is to get 1 full share of QQQ, and I'm almost there. So actually, I'm gonna be buying more of QQQ. This is one I ain't talked about in a while, and I'm still holding still Yield Max. And if it's a 7 fund, that's ticker symbol YMAG, YMAG, trade around $14.42. Really don't talk about this one too much, but I have sitting around over 4.5, close to 4.5 shares, of market value $62.46. So the total return down 2.85%. And this one, I'm actually surprised. This one ain't been really dipping too much as all the yield max funds that I have held in the past, but this one's holding pretty steady. So, and that's the reason why I'm holding this one and keeping this one for long term. And plus, it pays me out a pretty decent dividend for the week. So, let's look at ticker symbol BTCI. Let's see how this one's been performing for a while. And this has been holding pretty steady at $44.01. Market value of $294.90. And I've been down in this play 12.46%. Average cost of $50.28. So I have now over almost close to 7 shares. And this is a monthly player, and this is income based, so it pays me. And it's been paying pretty decent, around $1 per share. And like I said, I will continue to buy more. But now, you see, ticker symbol QUBT is actually getting to my price, the price I want to buy and more. It's quantum computing, trading around $10.64, and I have over 18 and a half shares, market value $196. $12.37. You see, it got bought at an average cost of $12.50. So it's actually getting to that price point where I like it. So I will be buying more this week. Hopefully, I'll try to get some more, catch it on the dip. And let's take a look, see what else I'm looking. This is one I'm really looking at here. I really would like to add more of a ticker symbol NVII, and that's the Rex NVIDIA Growth Income ETF, around $28.48. It got a little bit over 1.5 shares, market value $36.82. And you can see total return 1.61%. And I like this one. It's been paying pretty decent every week, so I will be adding more. So actually, over here I did add more American Bitcoin Corporation, ticker symbol ABTC, trading around $1.79. I checked out the facility that they're building for the mining of crypto. So, and that's what really made me really dive into it. I will be buying more. And he said about an average cost of $1.83. And you see my total return is down 2%, not too bad. So I will be adding more. And that's what we're looking at on tickers of ABTC. And there's a few other ones that I add that's pretty decent. Like I said, I'm building all these out from scratch. So, I know it's not much in these funds, but it will be going in 2026. It will be more money until all these plays. So look at the prices now, and the reason why I'm showing this because you got to start somewhere. And then you got then we'll talk about this one. I just recently added a ticker symbol SPMO, and that's Invesco S&P 500 Momentum ETF, trading around $120.84. And this is a ETF, and I think this one will do great in this portfolio. And I did say I was going to add that one, and I'm actually doing this one as a challenge, $5 a day. So that is a new addition to the portfolio. And I did add ServiceNow, ticker symbol NOW, and it's trading around $154.61. Just did a stock split there. It's pretty much like I said, I'm really trying to diversify the portfolio because I'm trying to get a little bit into all different sectors, and this one is dealing with a form of artificial intelligence. So I got quantum computing, so I got a little bit of mixture of both. And I think ServiceNow would be great for long term. And the reason why I say let's take a look at the performance. The past week they've been down 1.9%. Past month been down 5%. The past 3 months they've been down 17%. And so this is in the red. So it's good to buy in the dips. And the past year to date down 27%. Past year down 27%. And in the past 5 years, been up 37%, the max of all time, up over 3,100%. So I think this is a great buying opportunity. This is my opinion, not financial advice. Please make sure you do your research. But that's the new addition I just added to the play, and that's kind of a good overall. What I'm buying or looking at this week, and I might be adding just more funds too for the week before the year closes out. So comment down below what you think or what you're going to be looking at and what you're going to be adding. This is just my portfolio. Just following my journey. Comment down below. I know it's gonna be some negative comments, it's gonna be some positive comments, but it's like I said, it's my portfolio. This is what I'm doing. So if you like, you comment down below. And we can talk about stocks that you're looking at too. Then we talk about stocks, crypto, penny stocks. We talk about a little bit everything on this channel, and we just feed off each other. And please make sure you check some down on the links down below. And everybody have a good one. I'm out. Peace.